Question number 1, subdivision 4. 1/3, 1/6, 1/12. Find whether it is GP or not. How to find whether it is GP or not? We have to find a common ratio R. T2 by T1 should be equal to T3 by T2, which is our T2 term 2. 1/6 divided by T1 is 1/3 is equal to T3 is 1/12 divided by term 2 is 1/6. So reciprocate this, it will become 3/1. Reciprocate this also, 1/12 into 1/6 becomes 6/1. When we cancel this, we will get 2. So 1/2 is equal to 1/2. Both are equal. That means it is GP. This sequence is a GP sequence. Next, question number 7 from question number 1. 16, 4, 1, 1/4. Find whether it is GP or not. T2, first before finding GP or not, we have to find common ratio R value. R is nothing but T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. T2 is our term 2 value, which is 4 by term 1 is 16 is equal to term 3 is 1 divided by term 2 is 4. Cancel this 1 time 4 times. So 1/4 is equal to 1/4. Both are equal. That means it is GP. This sequence is geometric progression. Now next, question number 2 from exercise 2.9. Write the first 3 terms of the GP whose first term and common ratio are given below. Now I am going to solve subdivision 2. A is equal to √2 and R is equal to √2. They have given the value of A and R. They asked to find the first 3 terms, which is T1, T2 and T3. Got it? Tn is equal to, what is our n number of terms formula? Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. It should be used in our GP format only. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. First, let us find term 1. T1 is equal to, what is the value? AR power n value is 1 minus 1. AR power 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the value of A? √2 given in the question into √2 power 0. If anything power 0 means the answer should be, power 0 means 1. So write √2 into 1, which is √2. So our term 1 is √2. Next, let us find term 2. N is equal to 2. T2 is equal to AR power 2 minus 1, because n minus 1, the value of n is 2. So write AR power 2 minus 1, 1. The value of A is √2 and value of R is √2. √2 into √2, √2 square, square and root get cancelled. So 2. Term 2 should be 2. Next, let us find term 3. So find n is equal to 3. T3 is equal to AR power 3 minus 1. AR power 3 minus 1 is 2. So write A value is √2, R value is √2, the whole square. Square and root get cancelled. 2 into √2, 2 √2. So write T3 is equal to 2 √2. In the question, they asked to find only the first 3 terms. So write the first 3. The first 3 terms are √2, 2, 2 √2. √2, 2, 2 √2 and so on. Question number 2, subdivision 3. A is equal to 1000, R is equal to 2/5. Find the first 3 terms T1, T2 and T3. First, write the formula. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. So let us find T1, then n is equal to 1. T1 is equal to AR power 1 minus 1. Then AR power 1 minus 1 is 0. So write the value of A is 1000, into the value of r is 2 by 5, the whole power 0. If any number to the power of 0 means that number should be 1. So write 1000 into 1 is equal to 1000. So T1 is equal to 1000. Next let us find T2. So the value of n is equal to 2. Then write T2 is equal to AR power 2 minus 1. AR power 2 minus 1 is 1. The value of A is 1000 and the value of R is 2 by 5 to the power 1. Then 1000 into 2 by 5. When we cancel this, 200 times 200 into 2, 400. So T2 is equal to 400. Next let us find T3. So the value of n is 3. Then write T3 is equal to AR power 3 minus 1. AR power 3 minus 1 is 2. The value of A is 1000 into the value of R is 2 by 5, the whole power 2. So write 1000 into 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25. Cancel this 40 times. 4 into 40, 160. So T3 is equal to 160. Write the first term is 1000, second term is 400 and third term is 160 and so on. Thank you.